Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a story on the My Little Pony Story Creator application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the first screen and you can find three options: the friendship stories, the creator story, and the saved stories button. You go to the second button, the creator story. And you can record, you can select a character, a pony, a landscape or a background. You can find different items and just select one and you can create your stories. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.